This is the arm of the HCopter that I've been building for a little while now, based on the HobbyKing HCopter frame. And in one of my other videos I talked about the fact that the motor mounts were very flexible and that I'd ordered some CNC ones, and I wanted to do a quick video just to show you the CNC replacements because I'm very pleased with them, and kind of pick out a couple of the main points of them. First of all, they're a direct like-for-like replacement. They go on and fit in exactly the same holes. There's no drilling or tapping required. The link at the bottom is the guy on eBay that I bought these from. They came supplied with 16 screws of a slightly deeper length to actually go into the bottom of the motors. On here I have the Turnigy 35369 910 kV motors, spinning 11 by 4.7 props, and as you can see here, the supports now take these motors without any problems at all. The only thing I will mention is that I've had to put some shims underneath these motors. Hopefully you can see this on close-up. I've used some small spaces here in between the bottom of the motor and the case. You can actually see underneath here, if I move it around, the screws that were included in the kit. The reason for the spacers is with these much larger motors, the bottom of the shaft actually is a little bit too wide for the hole that's cut in the bottom, so you have to raise it slightly, otherwise the circlip that holds the bottom of the bearing and just catches the top of the support a little bit. The last thing I'll mention is the supporting holes in this. This bit here is slightly wider so that it'll actually take a bigger motor, and the slots that are cut in it will allow you to mount the motor even each way. So you can either have it front to back or side to side, whereas the mounts that came originally on the H-Quad were not only thin and flimsy but would take a 22 class motor easily, but on a 35 you ended up having to actually shave little bits and pieces off the mount, which, when it's as thin as it was only just taking more material out that it couldn't afford. So in summary, I would say these are a great investment if you're buying this quad. It means that you can actually mount the motors that you need to and not have to worry about the vibration that you would get with these standard ones. Thanks for watching. Any comments or questions, post them, and happy flying.